There is a company that has consistently followed a singular path for half a century. A company dedicated to transforming kitchens into a joyful space everyone dreams of. WONANG Company Limited. WONANG Company Limited creates innovative, refined products infused with creative ideas and craftsmanship. Challenge, innovation, cooperation, open-mindedness. These four core values are the driving force and steadfast foundation propelling WONANG Company Limited beyond Korea's best toward becoming a global leader. WONANG Sink, Korea's #1 in cost performance. Hands, the epitome of premium sinks. Signature, the top-tier luxury brand. Seiko, a representative export brand of Korea. Continuous research and development, paired with innovative ideas and an unwavering commitment to uncompromising quality excellence, is WONANG's greatest competitive strength. Equipped with the nation's largest production facilities, widely recognized both domestically and abroad, WONANG has established a smart factory that integrates digital automation solutions across the entire process, from design and development to production. Building on this foundation, WONANG maximizes productivity to manufacture 80,000 sink bowls per month, achieving a 30% market share in Korea's sink bowl market, under the goal of providing more refined, high-quality products at more affordable prices. WONANG Company Limited has grown into a leading stainless steel sink bowl specialist in Korea, pioneering kitchen culture. The raw material, stainless steel, is supplied by POSCO, Korea's world-renowned steel company, ensuring a stable supply of raw materials and serving as the secret behind the creation of world-class products. Moreover, thanks to state-of-the-art automation equipment capable of handling the entire factory process, highly skilled technology, and exceptional craftsmanship from our technical personnel, we are able to supply high-quality products at reasonable prices. WONANG's products, which have already earned global recognition through various quality and technology certifications, meet customer demands and are composed of a wide range of products that can be perfectly applied to any type of kitchen. As a result, they are capturing the hearts of consumers not only in Korea but across the world. Recognized for the excellence of both product quality and design, WONANG's products are currently exported to over 10 countries worldwide. The company has also established a global distribution system capable of responding quickly to any location abroad. At the second factory in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, a dedicated production line has been established to target the North American, European, and Southeast Asian markets, producing 50,000 sink bowls per month. Since its establishment in 1972, WONANG Company Limited has prioritized the happiness of all its employees alongside the company's growth. Furthermore, it has made every effort to fulfill its corporate social responsibility. In recognition of these efforts and achievements, WONANG has received numerous awards from various relevant organizations. In particular, in 2013, WONANG became the first in the sink industry to receive the $5 million Export Tower Award, following the Presidential Citation Award in 2015. In 2023, WONANG had the honor of being selected as an excellent long-lived company in Cheongpyeong-bukdo, a global mid-sized company in the furniture industry where employees are happy, customers trust, and the company is loved by society. This is the corporate goal that WONANG has pursued over the past half-century. It is a steadfast vision and a commitment to society that must be upheld without change in the future. A company that creates the new furniture of kitchens through continuous research and challenge. WONANG Company Limited.